Guys, welcome. Now, as we have already learned how to import data in our Stata, the next thing that we are going to do is create a do file. What is a do file? It is a place where you are going to store all the command or your test that you are going to run in Stata. The good thing of having an organized do file is that if you want to come back to any of your analysis, you can just simply open up the do file and execute the command. So how you are going to create the do file? It's quite simple. If you see on top here is the do file icon. So here you go, you have to click here and this will open up a new do file. So you can see it says do file editor and it is an untitled do because we have just opened it. Once you save it and give a name, the name will change. So this is like a text editor page, and the premise is basically very simple. As we go back to the main interface, we already have executed two commands. One, if you look on your left, all the commands are there. So the first one that we have done is we have imported an Excel. We have renamed one variable from ID to number, and then we saved. So if you want, you can just simply copy all of these information by Control A, or you can just select one, select Shift, select the last one. If you want to unselect one, just Control, click. You can unselect any command. So for now, we are going to Control A and Control C. All the basic shortcuts that we normally use in Office are going to work fine here. And then we are going to go to our do file and simply Control V. So this is what we have at this moment. Um, so the first one is the import command. The next one is the rename command, and the next one is the save command. What you can do over here is you can actually provide some notes um, that to actually uh, identify what you have done. Sometimes you, after you have done so many analysis, it's sometimes quite difficult to remember, okay, what regression, what analysis goes where. So a very simple way to put any note in Stata do file is just put a star in front and then you know write. So this is import command. And then you put another star at the end and you can see the line goes green, so it indicates this is a text information. So if you want to execute any command, Stata will recognize this as some information and it's not going to include this in any kind of future command or analysis. So if you want to put another text, this is for example command for renaming ID to number. And that's actually how you create your do files. And this is something you will find extremely helpful in your future. And we are going to continue to maintain this do file. I will keep on coming back to this file again and again anytime we perform any analysis. So at this point, what you can do is click File, Save As, and select the folder where you want to save this do file and put some number. So I put panel data do and click save. So you have successfully saved and you can see the name of the do file has changed as panel data do. So that's it. That's the use of a do file, just to list down all of the commands that we are going to run in our state of software, and to come back if you want to redo, reanalyze, or change anything. For example, over here, if you want to again perform this command, rename ID number, you'll see here there is a play button. So this is the execute command. So if you click here, it will execute this command and it will run the same information. However, we are not going to run this right now because if we do it, it will show an error. Okay, let me just try and do this. So once you have clicked here, if we go back, you will see this is what Stata has done. It ran the do file, the command rename id to number, but then Stata is giving me an error. It says variable id not found because we have already transformed id into number, and then it ended the do file. That's what do file does actually, and it's really helpful. You'll see in the future. I hope you like this video, and hope to see you in the next videos, and have a nice day. Bye.